Hi everyone, welcome back. So previously we managed to derive the equation for the work done for constant pressure curve as well as the constant temperature curve. We say that the constant pressure curve, the equation is a straight line, and the area under the curve, which is the work done, will be a rectangular shape, and thus the formula is PV2 minus V1. For constant temperature curve, it looks like this, and we also managed to derive the integration equation, okay, to be a natural log of V2 over V1 and multiply by MRT, P1 V1 or P2 V2. They are all the same values. Okay, so now we go ahead to derive the work done for a polytropic process. Okay, P1 V1 to the power of n equals to P2 times V2 to the power of n. Please note that if n, the polytropic index, happens to be the adiabatic index gamma, this equation will be an adiabatic process, but the derivation will still be the same. So I'm just going to kill two birds with one stone here. The integration is the same form of integration, and you know that P is equals to C over B to the power of n. Alright, and I can take C out since C is constant, right? And the integration of 1 over B to the power of n will give you a, let me see, B to the power of 1 minus n over 1 minus n. Okay, this will be the result. Okay, integrating from state 1 to state 2. Okay, and let's put 2 and 1 inside. You get V2 1 minus n over 1 minus n minus V1 1 minus n over 1 minus n. I take 1 minus n out. I get V2 1 minus n minus V1 power 1 minus n. Okay, now I can split this into two terms. One consists of V2, the other consists of V2 to the power of minus n, which means it is below lah. So this term is actually this term. Okay, this term is this term. So likewise for V1 will be the same. Okay, and I can put C back in. Okay, so this 1 minus n is still outside, but what is C? C is actually either P1 V1 n or P2 V2 n. Okay, I can put either of them in together. So let's say for this term, right, I will put in P2 V2 n. Okay, multiply by this term V2 over V2 n. And for this one, I can treat C as P1 V1 n. Okay, multiply by V1 over V1 n. So what happens is these two are going to cancel. These two will cancel. Okay, and I'll be left with P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Okay, this P is not, P1 is not cancelled, by the way. Okay, so a little bit of adjustment, you will get P1 V1 minus P2 V2 over n minus 1. And you also know that P1 V1 is what? MRT1. P2 V2 is MRT2 over n minus 1. Okay, so MR I can take out since they are constant, and this becomes the work done formula, either this or this. Okay, either this or this.